Okay, now we are starting with the next customization possibility. We are starting a new type of them, which are the database elements. In this case, the views is the first one. Of course, for this, to modify the views, we need either HANA or SQL knowledge. What are views basically used for? To modify the data that is being shown to the users on the scanner. For example, we have here an example of the view which is called purchase remarks. This may be useful, for example, when they are doing a reception, our users are doing a reception. They may want to see what's the delivery date of each of the items that they need to receive. That's useful. We have the same view, but for the order line. So even you can see it. This example, you could see it twice. First, when you select the purchase order, you could see all the delivery dates of all the items within this purchase order. And then once you are starting to receive one of the items, with the other view, with the purchase line remarks, you could see specifically the delivery date of that item that you have selected. And if you have the item multiple times on the purchase order, that would be very useful because you may want to receive first the item or the purchase order line which has a closer delivery date to today, right? That's an example. Of course, where can you find the views? On the database studio, HANA or SQL Studio. So this was an example of what can you do with views, which was the one related to purchase order remarks. But here we have another example, which is I'm basically with this example modifying the information that you can see on the pick list, right? So at this pick list, I have just added PL to the pick list number. And this could be useful in the business case, for example, that I'm printing my pick list and I'm sharing them within my warehouse operators. So they scan a barcode, and that barcode could be exactly that one, PL and the pick list number. And then once you scan it, you will univocally have only one selection on the pick list, right? These are examples of how views can help us to achieve specific requirements.